One morning, a girl named Mia found a small bird trapped in a plastic ring near the park. The bird struggled, unable to fly. Mia gently picked it up and whispered, "It's okay, I'll free you." With patience and care, she removed the ring and placed the bird on her palm. The bird chirped softly, then flew back into the trees. Later that day, as Mia walked home through the forest path, she slipped on a wet rock and twisted her ankle. She tried to stand, but the pain was too much. Alone and worried, she sat by a tree. Suddenly, she heard soft rustling. The same little bird appeared on a branch above her, this time with a group of animals: a rabbit, a deer, and a squirrel. The bird chirped loudly, as if giving instructions. The deer walked close and lowered its head. Mia carefully held on to its neck, and with slow steps, the deer helped her stand. The rabbit and squirrel stayed at her side, guiding her along the safest, smoothest path. With the animals' help, Mia reached the edge of the forest, where people saw her and rushed to assist. Before leaving, Mia looked back. The bird tweeted happily, as if saying, "You helped us. Now we helped you." Kindness always finds its way back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.